Birds flying high, you know how I feel.
Yeah, so we did the struts,
Sun in the sky.
accumulators, the struts, the hoses, the spheres. We took the rear diff out, took it all apart, resealed it, sandblasted it, painted it, got all the corrosion off it, replaced all the mounts, replaced the subframe mount, replaced the flex disc. I replaced the subframe support. I sandblasted that one and painted it to match. New transmission mount, new flex disc, new kickdown solenoid, serviced the transmission, serviced the torque converter, and then everything here
is brand new.
Been disassembled, sandblasted, painted, all new bushings, all new hardware, everything. So, good to go. All this is new, all done. New shocks, new upper control arms, and had a four-wheel alignment. Put your trunk seal on. The one that was on was upside down.
It came with it.
Yeah. And somebody put a bunch of silicone. Oh, the compressor and the motor mounts. Yeah.
And the idler. Control idler or something. Oh.
Yeah, that was part of it.
Suspension.
I sandblasted and painted the backing plates. All the hardware was been renewed or replaced. These have been sandblasted, painted. All this.
Very amazing.
You know what I mean, don't you know? Butterflies all having